the interaction of microwaves and molecules, because microwaves are important to communication, and I felt the molecules could affect the microwaves in ways which could be useful. So they allowed me to do that, and that became a very interesting aspect of science.
Martin gets the whistle, moves up on the ball. It's a high kick. It's short this time. Takes it at the 8-yard line. Straight ahead to the 10, the 15, the 20, the 25, and there he is hit on a jarring tackle.
So I took out a piece of paper and just scratched it out. Now let me see, will this work? I put down the numbers. Can we get enough molecules? Yeah, it looks like it'll work. And I was just absolutely elated.
Up to it at the 3-yard line, to the 10, to the left, 15, to the 20, to the 23-yard line. A fumble, the ball is loose. It is rolling back toward the goal line. It is recovered at the 15-yard line. Takes it in the end zone, he's to the 10, the 15, the 20, the 25, the 30, the 35, cuts to his left. He's at the 45-yard line of the 46. Jimmy Brown, he's at the 30, down to the 25, he's to the 20, the 15, the 10, the 5.
Hey, wait a minute. We can get down to light waves, I think. Yeah, and I worked it out. Yeah, it looks like nobody had imagined we could get to light waves, and suddenly I realized we could.
He's at the 15, he's at the 10, the 5, the 3, the 1-yard line.
Pick the things that you find most interesting. Pick the things you find most interesting. That's what you're likely to do best. And then work intensively, find out new things. Explore, explore, explore. That's what science is exploration, finding out new things.
There, he has it at the 40, the 30, the 20, the 10. He's going all the way.
Explore, explore, explore.